In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix connection error in Subway Surfers. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase what to do and what to consider if you are having trouble connecting to Subway Surfers. So usually when you open the game, you should be connected automatically according to your device's preferences and where you are playing. So for example, if you have a Facebook account connected, as soon as you connect to Facebook, all of your progress will be enabled. And if you have something like a Play Games account, likewise, everything will be transferred over as soon as you connect. If you notice that you open the game and you are still connected into your account, but you cannot play because of a connection error or something related to the rewards, your currency, then it could be due to various other reasons. First, if you notice that only you are having this issue, then the issue is attributed to your phone or installation of the game. The reason why I say this is because sometimes the servers for the game will simply go down. So if you have any friends who also play Subway Surfers, try talking to them. If you notice that everyone is unable to connect, then it could mean that the servers for the whole game are down and you will simply have to wait until they come back up. Usually there is no set date, and like I said, you just have to keep waiting until this is addressed. Now, if you notice that only you are having this issue, the next thing that I would recommend is that you go over to your device's settings, and in the settings look for apps, or go over to where you can manage all of the apps installed on your device. So for me it is going to be apps, manage apps, and then I can look for Subway Surfers. Now, once you find the game listed here, you will be able to select it and see how much storage space it is taking, the data usage, and all of that. If you know for sure that your connection is also working fine and you discarded that possibility, then what I would recommend is to clear the data, specifically the cache. Keep in mind that you must have your account connected to either Facebook or, like I said, Google Play, or else you are potentially going to lose your progress. By clearing the cache, you are going to free up memory and make sure that the game works the next time you run it. With this out of the way, you should be able to open it, and as long as you sign into your previous account again, you will be good to go. If it still doesn't work, then check for updates and you can consider completely reinstalling the game. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix connection error in Subway Surfers. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.